Welcome to renenergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At renenergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. With environmental sustainability taking center stage in the global narrative, the clean energy transition is accelerating. Plug Power, a leading player in the green hydrogen economy, is providing trailblazing solutions that have the potential to transform various sectors, from warehouse operations to energy storage and more. Revolutionizing material handling. The use of green hydrogen is redefining the logistics and warehouse industry through Plug Power's GenDrive fuel cell units. These units are being integrated into forklifts and pallet jacks, replacing the conventional lead-acid batteries, and providing a myriad of benefits. GenDrive fuel cell units deliver consistent power, have quick refueling times, and reduce the need for dedicated battery charging facilities. These advantages cumulatively lead to increased operational efficiency and significant cost savings, while also contributing to the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. Green fuel for electric vehicles. In the transport sector, Plug Power's green hydrogen is steering the future of electric vehicles, including cars, buses, and trucks. Fuel cell electric vehicles, FCEVs, provide a sustainable alternative to conventional battery electric vehicles, especially for long-distance and heavy-duty transportation that require rapid refueling. FCEVs powered by green hydrogen ensures zero greenhouse gas emissions, with water being the only byproduct, supporting a greener and more sustainable transportation sector. Backup power, uninterrupted and reliable. Moreover, the role of green hydrogen in backup power solutions is significant. Plug Power's GenSure fuel cell systems are increasingly becoming a reliable choice for sectors such as telecommunications and data centers. These systems replace conventional diesel generators, ensuring a consistent and uninterrupted power supply, thereby offering operational peace of mind and significantly reducing harmful emissions. Stationary power generation. Stationary power generation is another sector where green hydrogen is leaving its mark. Fuel cells powered by green hydrogen can support the electricity grid during peak demand periods and supply power to off-grid areas. The adoption of green hydrogen in this sector provides a sustainable solution for electricity generation, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Energy storage for the future. One of the most promising applications of green hydrogen is in energy storage, providing a solution for managing the intermittency of renewable energy sources. By storing surplus electricity generated from solar and wind power, green hydrogen can contribute to grid stability, ensuring a continuous supply of energy, even when renewable energy production is low. Broad industrial applications. The applications of green hydrogen extend beyond energy to various industrial sectors. Hydrogen is an essential component in refining, ammonia production, and methanol production. It's even being explored as a reducing agent in steel manufacturing. The use of green hydrogen in these industries could significantly decrease their carbon footprints. Decarbonizing aviation and maritime sectors. Looking to the future, the potential of green hydrogen in the aviation and maritime sectors offers exciting prospects. Though still in the early stages, green hydrogen could power fuel cells in ships or be converted into synthetic kerosene for airplanes. These applications could revolutionize these sectors, marking a significant step towards achieving global decarbonization goals. In conclusion, Plug Power is a key player in driving the adoption of green hydrogen across a range of sectors. Its commitment to sustainable energy solutions is pioneering the path to a future where green hydrogen is integral to our energy system. As we continue to navigate the challenges of energy transition, the potential of green hydrogen is undeniable, and with companies like Plug Power at the helm, that potential could be realized sooner than we think. Thank you for choosing renenergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at renenergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.